my boys guarding their property. Anyways, it's time for Fire It Up Friday. So let's get at her. Okay, it's going to be quick and dirty because it's cold out and I'm annoying the little birds because we have bird feeders all around here. So we did use our Smith that I broke the end off today. And this cheap knife, it works. You don't care about it. One of these generic drilled ferro rods, our pocket bellows, and our Dominic Minishali pokers. And we're just using the box junk stuff here so we can put the fire out. If we can make a fire. Well, surprisingly enough, we got something to go. We're trying to get things a little bit ready for winter. Anyways, I gotta let the little birds back into the feeder and being called at. So we'll put this fire out and we'll go in and make some coffee. Anyways, shovelhead 8 and welcome to the Bluegrass Bushcraft Coffee Challenge. As you can see, sorry about little Timmy, he just bit me because I didn't call his name. We've stepped up the game a lot to a 20-bar espresso machine. Rocket science compared to where we usually are. So we're going to milk, sugar, cup. We used this one the other day, but this goes in here somewhere. Like that. And locks in like that. We turn this on, and when it stops flashing, we can start our game. Okay, we can start now, I think. Making all sorts of cool noises. So we're going to do a double because I need it. So we move this over to here and press start, I guess. That's rocket science, man. I better get a close up to this while we can. This is quick. Maybe over here. That's it. Where's the kaboom? It's supposed to be an earth-shattering kaboom. Anyways, let's shut this off and reset it. We're going to make some frothy milk. Okay. I'm going to go get an extension cord to do this. Can you believe that? It's funny. I don't have a lot of extension cords. and I should. Light our fires. It's not particularly cold in here today. It's 65, believe it or not. I don't like these candles very much. Anyways, our next step is to take this. This is off. And we're going to steam some milk. So we got a little pitcher with a little milk. And we're going to put it on steam. Oh, press start. Fire a genius. Anyways, guess we'll give it a second to heat up. First time I run this, I run it to rinse it. That was it. There we go. Okay, let's shut this off. And as you can see, we did not a bad job. We actually have the foamy milk on the top. Almost like I knew what I was doing. And here's our espresso coffee when I should have heated my mug up with the crema on the top. I guess we can shut the power off. Make it a little less noisy. We're going to pour our, well, let's put our sugar in first. About that much. We'll pour some milk in here. Make sure we get our cream. You can use, if I didn't mention it, you can use these, especially the steamer part to make hot chocolate. If you don't have a hot chocolate maker. Anyways. There it is. We'll give her a little bit of a stir. And that'll get you going in the morning. Let's do our taste test. Our coffee test. Cupping or whatever they call it. Fancy way. I hate these candles. They're supposed to be premium candles and I don't like them. Wow. That's full power for sure. If you want to cut, you can just go over to here and get hot water, which may suit some people really well. This coffee is a little bit old too. Anyways, it's good. I need it. This machine works not bad. And I paid anyways, it's a $200 or $300 machine. I won't tell you what I paid. So we light these candles for people that need them, and those that have gone before us, and those of us that have been left behind. So, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next week.